SJ TV there. You know we're going on my paper with up on Myrtle Avenue right now. We're forward downtown, you see it? So go and pre the view now, man. You see me? Rainy day, rainy drive, you see it? Let me say why not bring my people them along with me. I make them see where the GR roll. So I left for a music video shoot a while ago and rain come crash it there. But no stop man still. The rain just crash a ground. Lamborghini out at base sitting. Yes, my G. Now we are talking about Vybz and Beenie Man right now, bro. Have the internet in a frenzy right now, king. And it's a good look, you see me? Some man are going to let them in a disbelief, say yo the artists them a buy them type of monster vehicle. You're like, brother, music thing a serious business, you know. Just the man them when I take them craft serious. You see me? I go shaky in the thing, but once you really solid in this and know, say yo, you're an artist, brother, you can reach that, man. Yo, put in the work, G. Yeah, it's a wonderful look, bro. You see me? When some people are talk about, yo, which artist bad, man, this artist, I brother forget about all of that. Get inspired for do well to, bro. You see me, that inspire me right now to go over the dealership and say, yeah, me? Even if I'm not one of them there, just upgrade your life, bro. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, brother. Progress. You see all the Vybz all a post doctor party and things, you know, so that's a good look still. You know things already, you know. Yeah, man. All of the people them right now I say, boy, them don't know cause be talk and say Beenie Man show cancel. You see me? Bro, all them things still enough people really go around and I put it together and I say, boy, feel like sabotage man thing, bro, I hate that thing that, brother. If I go say, boy, yo, a man thing cancel king. And the man thing never cancel, bro. The man thing never cancel. It's a different show. And you know internet stay and some people shake it from morning already. Once them hear one little thing, them gone with it. You see me? So, it's like Beenie Man truck a cause a controversy, sir. Beenie Man I truck where you go buy your virgin. And then if you buy no show money, brother. I just truck where you buy, bro. It's like you shouldn't bother buying a truck Beenie Man and then when I went love that. Or you know then when I went like fear. If Beenie Man go and go up there, then when I wish Beenie Man when I went an artist with no money. And when he go up there try to get the Benz. Them say the money couldn't fit. And the doctor you talk about. You can't size up with them people in bank account, brother. You know how much you do on show? Hombre, 2-3 show them can buy that easily, brother. No, nothing that, brother. To the big dogs, them is nothing that, bro. You see me? You have all artists. Let me tell you, say, once your thing struck there right to your farm, you can see the residual, bro. You see me? Because all artists are forward, not too long. If your thing set right when you do the right thing, bro, a G-Wagon not hard for reach if you do it the right way, fam. It's a big accomplishment, you know, don't get it twisted in the youth. But me I tell you, say, when I say to you, it's reachable. You understand? Yeah, man. Get the meds, man. Where they downtown Brooklyn, man. Yes, you could come outside. Alright. Yep. Yes, my friend, park up in a the bad place in the project, you see it. Yeah, man. So that's what I say now, my friend. It's like, I don't even see where some man fight up themselves and I go on like a dopey batch because when a man I go say, man bad man for buy one vehicle. Are you serious right now, Bridget? And yo, bro, that ain't nothing to Beenie Man, bro. And then if you think I the first luxury ride Beenie Man I buy, bro. Like me I try to tell you say some man just like them not like them look like them just need to build back, bro. Them never think before them chat, you see me? Boy, Vybz Kartel a cause problem in a dancehall cause everything with Vybz Kartel do, you know, Bridget. Everybody run it, you know. Cha. Yo, me say, everything Kartel do, trend in a dancehall, and you can't lie. The artists them, come like say them, bro, like the man them dep on a thing now where them just sit down and just watch Kartel and try to craft something up off a craft Kartel thing. Cause I don't know, or them have to go up on YouTube and just start call Kartel name to get hot, bro. Cause only way some artists can get hot right now if them this Kartel, bro, and them some of them so called them nah go do it, bro. You see me? So here what them have to go do now. Them have to go to sit down and bad mind. Yo, me watch a thing on Kartel I say, boy, if you don't like him and you're bad man, stroll on. Then I say, yo, Jaja, the sickest thing this, bro. Where man I tell us say, dog, me don't even care about your bad man, you know. You can just stroll and go on in a partner. Like, me I say, judgment, dog. You see me? Really, man. Tell Photo Hype, say, yo, you feel say you alone can park up and talk. Now what you talk about, bro? Park up and just talk about the thing, you know. I tell you, say, at the what you call it there, bro? At the driving show, this, you see me? Yeah, man, the driving show, this on YouTube, bro, G. Boy, that's funny, cause, oh, man, buy a vehicle, dog, the floss. Him and him family floss and just have fun in a life, and next man I go sit down and see a bad man make him buy it. You never see a working man work hard and buy him vehicle. How come a bad man make the man buy him blood clean vehicle? You don't forget say I work the man did work for him things. Cause I come like so no feel say when Beenie Man go over the Benz dealership. Them just walk out with Benz key and say, here you go, Mr. Beenie Man. You have to have money in a charge it. So how bad man come in at this? If you are them are the two artists who can afford to do it, why not do it? Listen, I don't understand. I don't know what you rapper them a stun pound of blood clot and no problem. I want to see phone on one piece that do it a bad man, them bad man. Me can't wait to see them drop to Lamborghini, man. Ah, that. Me I tell you, say, I wish soon as I get back which part I have forward to and get on YouTube just like anyone else on where I watch this. And start pre the thing. Me just see Vybz drop all one Lamborghini. You understand? Me just see Vybz Kartel drop on Lamborghini. And this time now when Vybz drop the Lamborghini, Beenie Man do so. Baps! Lamborghini too. If Vybz get the car, Beenie does go get the Euros. You understand me? So I saw a thing for said. Me don't know where some man a cry about, bro. Progress. Prosperity. You're a superstar. You can't be like the average guy who can't afford what I'm talking about. You know how much you book when I with superstar them, brother? No, on yourself, bro. Yo!